how to set limits and play responsibly on PrizePicks. If you would like to set limits and play responsibly on PrizePicks, here on the official help section you can see you can log into your account and look for the Responsible Gaming tab on the drop-down menu located in the top left corner of the PrizePicks app. If you are using the browser, the drop-down menu is located in the top right corner. Now to go to the Responsible Gaming section, you simply have to go to app.prizepicks.com/responsible-gaming. Now after you've done that, you'll be basically taken to the page where you should be able to go ahead and then set the limits as well as game responsibly on PrizePicks. So here you can see, are you struggling to balancing with daily life and so on? Here you can see you have to log into your account, and after that you can just hit the submit button right there. This way you can set alert, limits, timeouts or self-exclusion on PrizePicks and game responsibly. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.